previous video, we were adding some options to your text. And this video, we want to rasterize the text. This is very remarkable point for people who want to learn some new things about typography. Okay, at first, we want to change this text. For instance, I want to type hello. And I want to change the font. Simple font. No. This is good, but with the capital letters. Okay. We want to cut the little rectangle and change the color. Some people want to use the eraser. We select it, but we are not allowed to use it in the text. That's because of the format of the text. We should change it. So in this case, we should rasterize it. We click the Move tool, select the layer, click the right button, and click on the Rasterize type. When you rasterize a layer, the icon there will be changed. Okay. Now, we should use the eraser. This is it. I want to remove every part I want, but I want to just change this rectangle. Okay, I want to make it bigger, and after that, with the marquee tool, select the small rectangle. That's it. And after this, I want to use a shortcut key. That is Ctrl J in Windows, and in Mac, Command plus Shift plus J cuts the layer, and Command plus J copy the layer. Okay, we see it. Now I want to change the color. You cannot change it with this place or this place. This is for characters and types. What we're gonna do? We should use the layer styles. The layer style panel makes you powerful as a designer. So if you double click it, in this empty place of a layer, we have a window. Okay. I want to set it here and change the color of the small rectangle. So I should check the color overlay and check the opacity on a 100% and choose my color and press OK and press OK as well. So this is it. Hello with a small rectangle with a red color. This is the second lesson for learning new typography options for changing the color or cut some specific place of a layer, and that is very useful and very important for the designer. If you want to be a typographer, you should learn it very well. This is very significant. We have a new project. I want to cut this place of E. Okay? So I select Hello layer and use the marquee tool and select this part. So I should zoom in. I zoom in very well and it is okay, I think. So I now press the delete button and Command and D. You see we have some pixels in there that is more brighter than others. Okay, we press Ctrl Z, move it down. I want to move the selection area. I select the marquee tool in the first section, do it like this, and again select the move tool and press delete and Command and D. We have some other pixels, so we use it again and delete. Okay, Control D. I remove this place of E very well, that I don't like it. And as well as E, I can delete this place of double L. So in this video we were learning new things about rasterizing a layer. I told you this is very remarkable video for you. You should learn it very well. So see you in the next video.